So I'm going to walk you through the year-end procedure that you need to do for the managed payroll. As you can see here on your to-do page, we have forms that need to be filed. And so I'm going to walk you through all of those. Now, the to-do page is a great tool, but sometimes not everything populates onto the to-do page. So what I'm going to do is once I'm done showing you how to get things off your to-do page, I'm going to go and show you where to find them. So that way you can check to make sure everything you need to do is done. We're going to go ahead and file the 940 form. And again, this is a yearly form. You go ahead and click on that. Yours will say view or submit. Because this is a sample data, I can only just archive it. So I'm going to click archive. You're going to click submit, and it will go electronically through the payroll system. Then we're going to click on the 941, and we're going to submit that as well. Now for the W-2s that we need to do, you're going to click on W-2s copies B, C, and 2. These are for your employees. You're going to say, if in 2020, did you, the employer, or any employee contribute toward a retirement plan outside of the payroll service? And that would be if the company it was participating in a retirement plan, but you didn't run it through payroll. So most everybody says no to that. And this says continue. So you're going to view your forms. And of course, you do not have to report the healthcare because you don't have over 250 employees. And you're going to print this on plain white paper. You just click. Now for mine, I would click here and say print right here. I'm not exactly sure, but yours will pop up this box and you would send this to your printer. Print it on plain white paper, give them out to your employees, ask them to check their name, their address, and social security number for accuracy. Okay. Once you know that that is done, you're going to archive them. Okay, so you've printed the BC and 2, given it out to your employees. They've gotten back to you. They told you everything is correct. So you're going to click back on here and you're going to archive those forms. Now to submit the forms to the federal government, and you have till the 28th, you're going to click here and you're going to click submit. Again, this is a sample data, so I can't submit this, but you would just basically click submit and they would go to the federal government. To file your quarterly returns, you do the same thing and click on them and click submit. And click here and click submit. So what you're going to want to do is you want your to-do page to be clear of everything that you need to do. Because it is your responsibility to make sure that you file everything, sometimes things won't pop on the to-do page. If you go to taxes and forms and click on view archive forms under quarterly forms right here, then you can see everything that you did. So we did the 941 fourth quarter and we did our unemployment fourth quarter. So we know that our forms went and we did what we needed to do. If you go back, click here and say annual forms, you can see you did the 940 for 2020 and we archived the B, C, and 2 here. You would also want to see the W-2 copies A and D, but again, like I said before, I can't archive them because I can't submit them because they will go electronically, and this is just a dummy company that has information in it. So again, your to-do page should be clear of all the forms that you needed to do. It's really important that you do go to the taxes and forms. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that you're paying your federal taxes on time. Sometimes those are not populating to the to-do page. So you click pay taxes. And then the only thing you want to pay is you want to pay the federal tax 941 and make sure that you pay those current. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. But this is how you will close out your year for 2020. Thanks so much.